Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, stay on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, grabbing your phone, if you have a case on your device, you'll need to take it off because the tray is located at the bottom side of the device. Grabbing the pen, find a little insert hole, as you can see where it is for me, and then push the pen in. You can see that the tray will pop out, and from here you can just yank it out, and you'll have space for SIM card on either side. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when placing a card on the tray, the top tray doesn't have anything that keeps the card in place, while the bottom one has this tiny little piece of plastic right here that puts tension on it, and it will hold it in place. So if you flip the tray over, the card doesn't fall out. Apparently, for a premium device, Samsung decided that saving up on a couple, like, not even grams, it's less than quarter of a gram, probably even less than that, of plastic was money well saved. Fantastic. I love this company that doesn't even give you charger. Hell, they don't even give you like 1/10 of a gram of plastic because we got to cut costs. Anyway, with that being said, once you place the card on the tray, you can then pop it back into your device, and now this phone will have a mental boom because I have already added eSIM into it. So once two eSIMs are added, the phone is like, what? There is a physical SIM card? What the hell am I supposed to do? The SIM card that I have inserted does have PIN, which, as you clearly seen, did not show up. If we go into connections in the settings and SIM management, it also has some just mental gymnastics right here. So SIM update SIMs. This will check for new and remove SIMs. eSIM 1 will be discarded, and there's 2 of them, by the way. So apparently virtual SIM card is the same thing as a physical one, and you can only have 2. But in any case, instead of giving you the option to just disable it, it's just gonna completely get rid of it, because, you know, why would the device give you options when it's not really your phone? So it will do whatever Samsung wants the device to do. So fantastic. So cool. Let's see. We can keep eSIM 2, or we can turn off. Wait, can we actually turn it off? There we go. There's our PIN. So we're going to confirm that. So it looks like, yeah, it turns it off, but doesn't actually remove it, which is good. As you can see, by the looks of it, we cannot have eSIM and SIM for some stupid reason. Go figure why. So for people that might be wondering, no, that's apparently not allowed. So great. In any case, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.